Hey everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. Hope everybody is having a great week to this point. It's been very interesting and busy. We're going through a transition phase and a lot's going on, but I'm really excited about what's in front of us. Look, I'm normally coming to you at this particular point in time with a specific topic about something that's popping off or something that's happened, a teachable moment by whatever is going on at the time. This is going to be real short and real brief. It's been a long time since I've done this, but I'm hoping that I can grab your attention. We need your support at the Odyssey Project. The things that we do, I think, are extremely important to the community, like the Black Man Lead, Rite of Passage Initiative, Restoring Ghetto's Forgotten Daughters, which works with young at-risk youth, and that means young women and girls. The Music is Life program. Our research center has done immense work, in the area of research, from everything from epigenetics, wealth building, situations like serial force displacement, and I've disseminated, written on it, even developed programs based on it, but I've shared it. It's a part of published work now, so people can understand what's going on and use it to advance our cause, and so much more. I'm asking you, if you listen to this video, to click the link in the video and contribute to the work that we do. It's real simple. If you followed me for any stretch of time, I've been on YouTube for 12 years, Facebook for 11 years, something like that. You've seen the work. You may have even been involved in things that I've been involved with, but I'm definitely asking for your support. I'm not asking for any particular amount. I'm asking for whatever your heart purposes. And it's easy. Just click the link and go to the destination and give. There should be a couple of links. One, you can go directly to the link and give. The other, you can go to the donation page on the site, read a little bit more about what we do. You can also give directly to the organization's Cash App account, and that's going to also be in the description box. This will be the only thing in the description box, because this is what I want you to focus on. We need your support, and I'll be talking about this moving forward, but I'm asking you today to show some love. On that note, I'm out of here.